Hi, welcome to my page. So today I'll be showing you how to braid a perfectly bended Kiko. So we all know this. If you want your hair to grow, this is one of the hair that is always recommended. Kiko helps hair to grow faster, helps hair to grow quicker. So today I'll be showing you how to make Kiko easily, how to bend it easily. Most people just don't know how to bend um Kiko. They just braid it upwards and then bend it, which can scatter easily. So I'll be showing you how to bend it, bend this Kiko for more comfort. Okay. So please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, don't forget to like. If today is your first time watching with us, help our page grow. Okay. Don't worry about this page. There is a place I slowed down this page so you could see what I did. So no, I'm not a fan of long videos. Okay, easily bended. Nothing could make it stand again. You just bend like that. So I slowed down the video here so I could show you how to bend the rope to add more thickness to the hair. Usually I do bend it 2 times, but hey, since this Kiko shred started being costly, one for 150. I have to manage by shred because I have kids. Okay, so here you see how to bend the hair. So after doing that, you twist the hair, then bend it. Use the rope, put it downwards again, bring it up again. After doing that, you bend the rope to add thickness. You can do that 2 times. Then you start making the hair. Okay. And here is our hair for 3 weeks. We're gonna carry that hair for 3 weeks. Thank you for watching.